containerised bulk handling logistic and loading system. Using specialised bulk mining containers, the minerals are loaded into the containers in the conventional way. The minerals are weighed, sampled and graded. The lid is then replaced onto the container so no dust can escape and contaminate the environment. Depending on the location of the mine site, the containers are then transported to the port by either road or by rail. Once at the container port, the containers are unloaded using the current port equipment. Empty containers are reloaded to start the loop again. The containers are block stacked at the port in their grades, and using a simple algorithm, the ship can be blended with A, B or C grade containers. The containers are also used for storage, whereas conventional bulk storage sheds are double handling, labour intensive, and create more dust and product loss. When the ship arrives, the containers are taken around to the quayside to be loaded with the revolver. Note how the lid is taken off inside the ship's hold and the revolver turns 360 degrees to empty the product into the ship's hold. The lid is then replaced. These are the only additional skills a container port crane driver needs to learn using this system. The containers are then taken back to the mine to start the loop again. The following two videos are testimonials from two companies using this process.
At Patrick's, we're always looking for better solutions for our customers. So the Patrick's team at Port Kembla introduced the rotating spreaders. What this technology brings to the customer is the ability to track their cargo right through from the customer's site all the way through to the ship's hold. The rotating spreader operates with the use of conventional ship's cranes and is utilised and controlled by the crane driver using a remote control system, eliminating the need for additional staff. Other advantages that we offer to the customer include the reliability and portability of the operation within the vicinity of the storage yard and the reduced effect of spillages and environmental aspects including dust emissions.
Previously we did the same task at a different site with conveyor loading. So we had different process altogether. We loaded the hoppers with front end loaders to a conveyor. Here it's a safe process, there's less people on the ground in the line of fire, which is always a good thing. The product comes to us as a sealed unit and it stays as a sealed unit until it's delivered into the vessel and tipped. Then it's closed up again and returned to the wharf and returned back to the train to head off to the mine. At no stage we have any exposed products, so we're not exposing people to any dust, any emissions, any sort of fugitive problems from there. It's a good message to employees and everyone's taken it on board. There's some new skills to be learned, new operations with the crane controls and that sort of thing that's varied from how they've normally operated. They're fully aware of the interaction management on the berth with traffic flow and working around suspended loads, and they're doing a great job so far. For us, we had to tick some boxes to get this across the berth here. With this copper concentrate being so close to the water, we had to get sign off from our landlords and from the EPA. They've both come, they've both audited the process and are very happy with it. Because of the reason it's a complete sealed unit, at no stage is there any chance of any product spilling on the wharf. Unless we had a catastrophic breakdown, it's all concealed from the load point at the mine to the tipping point in the vessel. So overall, bringing this new piece of equipment into our business, this rotating spreader has been a great story for our customers, our people and our business.
What's exciting for Patrick is that this technology allows us to offer a broader service and a variety of commodities right across Australia and New Zealand.